stars, no matter how far, shining in heights and below. 'Cause when I dived in the pond, guess what you found? A million stones from the heart, and tears from the sun with whom it begun. Spells of light and shadows, with these spells I live. So please won't you give the big stone from your heart soon. I turned myself ages ago, 'cause when I was alone, she promised the stone, a big stone from her heart.